Are you looking for the best camcorders for podcasting? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best podcasting on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic HC-VX981K. The first camcorder in this article comes from Panasonic. As many know, Panasonic is a very famous brand for cameras in general. Panasonic HC-VX981K would be an amazing purchase for podcasting because it really has amazing features that definitely can be used in that field. The measurements of this camcorder are 5.5 by 2.6 by 2.9 inches, and it has a weight of 12.3 ounces, meaning it is lightweight, and that also makes it very easy to be used and held for long periods during the day. It is very well built with very durable materials, and by its users, it is considered a long-lasting camcorder. With a BSI-MOS sensor, this camcorder brings to you impressive video quality. The videos own an ultra-sharp 4K resolution that makes them very clear. This camcorder has the HDR movie feature that is related to the colors that it records. Both lights and darks are shown in the best way possible. The optical zoom works at 20x, and it also has a hybrid optical image stabilization built in so that your recordings won't own any blur on them. A special feature that this camcorder owns is that it allows you to edit in the camera for the 1080 pixels of videos. It also owns night vision that helps you capture the best videos even in the darkest environments. Via Wi-Fi connection, you can connect this camcorder with many different devices that you already own, and during this time it brings to you a wireless twin camera, meaning that you can connect your phone's camera with the camcorder and use it for multi-camera scenes. The Panasonic HC-VX981K requires a lithium-ion battery, which is a rechargeable battery, and it allows you to record up to 90 to 100 minutes. Number 2. Panasonic X2000. As said at the beginning, 2 Panasonic camcorders. Here goes the second one, from the same company. This camcorder is a full feature-packed one with amazing things. It also stands on the group with camcorders that are mostly used by professionals. Panasonic X2000 owns a different design when compared to the first one, and it is noticeable on the first look. Even though they don't look the same, their build quality is a little bit similar because this one is very durable too. Its measurements are 12.79 by 11.1 by 8.46 inches, and it weighs 5.85 pounds. On top, it has a handle, and it is detachable based on if you want to use it or not. The sensor that is found on this camcorder is an MOS1, and it works in the best way possible. It brings a high quality of 4K videos which works at 60p. The video quality is also adjustable. If you want to record videos on full HD, then you are more than free to do it. Based on its video quality, the videos are lifelike, meaning that the colors are great, as well as they are very clear. The optical zoom of this camcorder works at 24x, and it owns a wide-angle lens of 25mm. Panasonic X2000 has high-precision autofocus which works at its highest speed, and it is amazing with both 4K and full HD videos. It also has a built-in 5-axis hybrid image stabilization for no shaky videos. The camcorder in general for connectivity uses a Wi-Fi connection, and it can be connected with many devices so that you can be fully in contact with what you have been recording. With the help of Wi-Fi, you can also easily live stream. Number 3. Canon VIXIA HF R800. The camcorder is lightweight by weighing just 8.5 ounces, and its measurements are 4.6 by 2.1 by 2.3 inches. Being lightweight, the camcorder is fully portable, and it can easily fit in your travel bag, being the best travel companion for you. You can capture everything everywhere you go. The whole body of this camcorder is made of super durable materials, making it one of the most durable ones when compared to many others. The camcorder is packed with a full HD CMOS sensor, which works in a combination with the Digic DV image processor. The videos shot with this camcorder will be brought to you with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, and it delivers to you an astonishing clarity of whatever you want to record with it. On the camcorder is found the noise reduction feature, which brings clarity to every single frame of your video with many details. The zoom of this camcorder is impressive. It works at 57x, making it perfect even with the objects or subjects that are far away. The focus is also very accurate, and works amazingly with the zoom. Canon VIXIA HF R800 is also an amazing camcorder that can be used in low light. With super range optical image stabilizer, the shake will be fully corrected. The connectivity of this Canon camcorder works via an HDMI output, and it can easily be connected with different devices that can be connected via this output. With this feature, it can also be used as a webcam. With the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this camera brings to you an immersive time of recording that once it is fully charged it allows you to record for even more than 300 minutes. Number 4. Canon VIXIA HF G60. Here goes another camcorder from Canon because they work in what may be considered a perfect way. Canon VIXIA HF G60 is also a very well-known camcorder which is used by many people for many things. The camcorder, in general, is made of very strong materials, making it a very durable one that lasts for a long period of time. The measurements are 8.4 by 4.3 by 3.6 inches and it weighs about 3.7 pounds. As an appearance, it may look heavy but still, it is comfortable while in use. The camcorder is packed with a dual-pixel CMOS AF sensor and a Digic DV6 image processor. This combination of the sensor with the processor helps the camcorder work in the most perfect way possible. The video quality is amazing since it has a 4K UHD resolution that works at 30p, and also you can choose to record at full HD at 60 frames per second. The recordings are clear and with a very dynamic range of colors. The optical zoom of this camcorder works at 15x with a maximum focal length of 38.25 centimeters. Besides all of the things mentioned, it owns amazing autofocus, which is very accurate and fast. On the camcorder, you will notice the 5-axis optical image stabilization, which works in 3 modes: standard, dynamic, and powered. The videos are great, with no blur at all. With the HDMI output that is found on this camcorder, you can connect it with many devices that of course accept HDMI. You can put your recordings on those devices to edit or anything else. The battery life promised by this camcorder is that it can last about 85 to 90 minutes of recording, and it works with a lithium-ion battery which is rechargeable.